Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is August 27th, 2025, and we're diving into Agilent's third quarter fiscal year 2025 earnings report. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, Agilent has reported some impressive numbers this quarter. Can you give us a brief overview?
Absolutely. Agilent reported a revenue of $1.74 billion for Q3 2025, which is a 10.1% increase from the same quarter last year. Their non-GAAP EPS came in at 37, surpassing the analysts' forecast of 136. This marks a strong performance, especially considering the dynamic tariff environment they navigated this quarter.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Agilent reported a net revenue of $1.74 billion for the third quarter, which is a 10.1% increase compared to last year. John, what factors contributed to this growth?
The revenue growth was driven by strong performance across all business segments and regions. The Life Sciences and Diagnostics Markets Group, for instance, saw a 14% increase in revenue. Additionally, Agilent's focus on operational excellence and their Ignite transformation initiative played a significant role in achieving these results.
And how about profitability?
On the profitability front, Agilent reported a GAAP net income of $336 million, with a non-GAAP EPS of 137, which is a 4% increase from the previous year. This indicates that Agilent is not only growing its top line, but also managing its costs effectively to improve profitability.
Segment performance. John, can you break down the performance of Agilent's different business segments for us?
Sure. The Life Sciences and Diagnostics Markets Group reported revenue of $670 million, up 14% year over year. The Agilent CrossLab Group generated $744 million, marking an 8% increase. Lastly, the Applied Markets Group saw a 7% rise in revenue to $324 million. Each segment showed robust growth, contributing to the overall strong performance of the company.
That's impressive. How do these segments contribute to Agilent's overall strategy?
Each segment plays a crucial role in Agilent's strategy of delivering comprehensive solutions across various markets. Their ability to grow across all segments and regions highlights the effectiveness of their diversified portfolio and strategic initiatives.
Future outlook and guidance. Looking ahead, what is Agilent's outlook for the rest of the fiscal year?
Agilent has revised its full-year revenue outlook to a range of $6.91 billion to $6.93 billion, reflecting a growth of 6.2% to 6.5%. For the fourth quarter, they expect revenue between $1.822 billion and $1.842 billion. The full-year non-GAAP EPS is projected to be between $5.56 and $5.59, indicating continued confidence in their growth trajectory.
What are the key drivers for this optimistic outlook?
The key drivers include their strong execution, innovation pipeline, and deep customer relationships. Agilent's ability to navigate the dynamic macro environment and their focus on operational excellence are also significant contributors to their positive outlook.
CEO insights and strategic initiatives. John, what insights did Agilent CEO Padraig McDonnell share about the company's performance and strategy?
CEO Padraig McDonnell emphasized the success of their Ignite transformation and the focus on profitable growth and operational excellence. He highlighted that all business groups and regions experienced growth, which is a testament to their strong execution and strategic initiatives.
How does this align with Agilent's long-term strategy?
Agilent's long-term strategy revolves around innovation and maintaining deep customer relationships. Their Ignite enterprise operating model allows them to adapt quickly to changes, ensuring they remain competitive and continue to deliver value to their stakeholders.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Let's discuss the EPS forecast. Analysts had predicted an EPS of 136. How did Agilent perform in this regard?
Agilent exceeded expectations with a non-GAAP EPS of $1.37, which is a 4% increase from the previous year. This slight beat against the forecasted EPS of $1.36, based on a survey of 7 analysts, underscores Agilent's strong financial management and operational efficiency.
What does this mean for investors?
For investors, this performance indicates that Agilent is not only meeting, but slightly exceeding market expectations, which is a positive signal for the company's financial health and future prospects.
Key takeaways. In summary, Agilent has delivered a strong performance in Q3 2025, with revenue and EPS exceeding expectations. Their strategic initiatives and focus on operational excellence are clearly paying off. John, any final thoughts on Agilent's investment prospects?
Agilent's consistent growth across all segments and regions, coupled with their positive outlook, makes them an attractive investment. Their ability to navigate challenges and maintain profitability is commendable.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Agilent's performance in the comments below.